In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete your Shopify account. Whether you're closing your store for good or just want to take a break, it's important to follow the official steps to ensure a smooth process. Before you begin, make sure to review any outstanding charges, as you won't be able to cancel your account if there's a pending balance. Once you're sure everything is squared away, you can dive into the account deletion process. First, log into your Shopify account using your credentials. You'll be directed to the admin dashboard, which is the heart of your store management. From here, go to the lower left corner and click on Settings. This section holds all your store's technical and administrative settings. Once you're there, navigate to Plans and Permissions. Here, you'll see details about your current subscription and other permission settings. Next, you'll scroll down to the Store Status section. This is where you can find options to pause or deactivate your store. If your intention is to delete your account entirely, you'll need to focus on deactivating your store. However, take a moment to consider if you might prefer to simply pause it. This option keeps your store inactive but not permanently closed, allowing you to resume operations at a later time without losing your data. If you're sure about closing it permanently, click on Close Store. Shopify will ask you for a reason why you're choosing to close your store. Be honest about your reason, as this feedback is valuable for Shopify. After providing your reason, you'll be prompted to enter your password to confirm the decision. This is a security measure to ensure that only you can make significant changes to your account. Now, here's an important point. Once you confirm the closure, your store will no longer be accessible. Shopify keeps your data on their servers for a limited period, usually up to 30 days, in case you change your mind and wish to reactivate the account. However, after that time frame, your data will be deleted permanently, so make sure you have a backup if required. After closing, you'll receive an email confirmation from Shopify, letting you know that your store has been closed successfully. Keep this email for your records. If you're using any third-party apps or services, remember to cancel those subscriptions separately to avoid future charges. To recap, ensure everything is in order with your account, log in, navigate to Settings, then Plans and Permissions, and finally take the steps to close your store. Following these steps will ensure that your Shopify store is deleted smoothly and without any issues down the line. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful in answering your questions.